Hello, my name is Darlene, and I will be demonstrating the techniques from Gestalt therapy. The two techniques I will be demonstrating with Stan will be reversal, which is to reverse the way Stan acts towards his underlying impulses. The second technique I will be demonstrating will be exaggeration, which is to exaggerate moments to show underlying emotions. I believe that these techniques will help Stan in his therapy sessions, and I hope you enjoy this demonstration. Stan, how are you currently feeling about how you're progressing throughout your life?
I'm still feeling like a failure. I am the only one in my family that has not achieved a degree or has a career.
What makes you feel this way?
I guess it's the constant feeling of being the underdog towards my siblings. Also, the constant criticism I get from my father.
It must be tough to feel this way. I have a technique that could help you with these negative thoughts. Would you like to try it?
Sure, as long as it will help me. What exactly is it?
The exercise I have in mind for you is going to help you change the negative perception you have about yourself. And it's going to help you see that you are more than what people make you out to be.
Okay, I guess I'm willing to try.
Okay, Stan, let's begin. From the top of your head, tell me 3 strengths that you believe you possess.
I don't know. I guess that I know how to accept mistakes I make and I gather knowledge learned to my advantage.
Stan, that is a very great quality, as you will always be able to improve yourself.
Another one I believe is that I'm proud of the fact I have the courage to go back to school, even though no one has believed in me.
Yes, Stan, that is something to be very proud of.
I think another quality would be is that I know the type of man I want to be. I want to be someone strong and confident, and I want to be the best I can be for others and for myself.
Well, Stan, these are very great strengths. You see, Stan, the more credit you actually give yourself, the more confident you're gonna feel. It's gonna make you see that you are not what people see you as, but you are what you choose to be. How are you feeling right now after we mentioned some of your strengths?
I guess I'm feeling a little better, a little less anxious. I'm going to try to be more confident on my everyday basis in order to keep improving.
Since we're talking about confidence, I remember that in previous sessions you have mentioned that you have an anxiety towards women. Have you made any improvements in that area?
Nothing's really changed. I don't like talking about this.
What exactly about women makes you feel this type of fear?
I don't know. I guess it's the fear of rejection. I've been rejected my whole life. And I also think that I'm not good enough.
I see. I see your legs shaking very profoundly. I also have an exercise that would help you see, the inner emotions that you feel. Would you like to try it?
Sure, if it's gonna help me.
Okay, Stan, what I need you to do is I need you to stand up and exaggerate the leg movement that you were doing while we were sitting down.
Okay, yeah, like this?
Yes, both legs, but it needs to be very exaggerated because we need to go into inner emotions.
This is making me feel really anxious.
Okay, so if you feel anxious, what other emotions are you feeling? Do you feel anything else?
It feels like pure anxiety and a fear of lack of confidence.
Has any woman ever made you feel like this?
The only person I can think of is my ex-wife. She would belittle me and tell me I was a failure at everything on an everyday basis.
Stan, you can sit down now.
Thank you.
The past experience with your ex-wife, as I can see, has influenced very deep anxiety with other women. You always expect every time you meet a woman that they're going to belittle you.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, it's happened before.
What you need to do is to give yourself a chance and stop categorizing women in one category. Because women are a range of spectrum. They're not all the same. And as soon as you realize this, your fear of women will diminish and maybe even disappear.
I guess you're right. I mean, I will try to apply this to my life in this upcoming week.
I mean, I know you just went back to school, so maybe you could try to meet a woman there. You can, try to talk to her during classes or maybe at your job. Just give yourself the chance to meet someone. And the next session, we're going to be discussing your progress, Stan. I believe in you.
Thank you. See you next section. Goodbye.
Good luck and goodbye.